Today I'm going to show you a really neat trick. We're going to remove the corn on the cob from the husk. I've had this in my microwave on high for 3 minutes. The only thing I need to do, grab a knife. I'm going to cut off the bottom. Grab ourselves a plate. You're going to grab the outer portion and you're going to just start squeezing. Just squeeze. And like magic, look at this. So there we have it. Absolutely perfect corn on the cob in the microwave with no mess. That's it for today. I'll see you next time.